Hello friends, today let's see a short review of the HMT Sportstar watch. Okay, this has a bezel which can be rotated fully. Wonderful watch from HMT. This was manufactured in the 1980s. This is a very sporty HMT watch. The crown has a beveled shape. It's very nice and an antique piece. And on top we have a white dial. This is also claimed in a black dial. You can see the back side now. These are the straps which came along with the company model. And now you look at the hour hands. It has an arrow at the tip, and then you see the minute hands. Minute hands has a pointed tip. Both have lume fillings so that in the dark they tend to glow, and all the hour indices have lume coated fillings in a rectangular box. And the most interesting feature in this watch, which I like, is the second hand. It is very sporty and red color with a long arrow.